Everyone loves selling, but nobody loves building proformas by hand. Here's how it works in Flameplace. From the left toolbar, open Studio. Create a project. Give it a name and save. The project is ready. Add a space, for example, living room. Fill it from your catalog. Choose a collection and the living group. Let's add one sofa, two armchairs, and a coffee table. All items are set. Switch to Office to generate documents. Find the project and open its brand segment. You now see the specification of the items you added. Open the Proforma tab and enter the client details. Open Commercial Options and set the working discount. It applies instantly to the whole Proforma. Add the VAT rate. Final prices update automatically. Your Proforma is ready. Export it to PDF or share a link with the client. With Flameplace, commercial teams work faster and more comfortably than ever.